Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm planning to make a Christmas gift tag come refrigerator magnet. Okay, so the materials that I'm going to use are these transfer sheets. So I'm going to use one of the pictures from these transfer sheets. As you can see, these are very beautiful ones, and other materials that I'm going to need are the dies, oval dies I'm planning to use. These are cross stitch ones, as you can see, and I have this stack of paper, loose sheets. Okay, so I'm going to use one of them, right? And I have my watercolors as usual with me. So guys, first I'll need to have one of these papers. So let's take out one of them, and I'm planning to use this particular picture with a lamp on it. So guys, when we use the transfer sheets, we have to make sure that we cut very close to the picture. So I've cut the picture from the transfer sheet. So this is how it looks. So guys, let's start coloring our background. So I'm done with coloring the background. It's very subtle, just for the picture to pop out. So now so this is the picture, and we have to first remove, do not forget to remove this transparent sheet from the transfer sheet, and then clear the paper from all the dust, and let's carefully lay it on the paper, and then we need to kind of stick it. Okay, now I'm going to take a thick brush. Okay, this is the brush. Okay, and then dip it in water, generous amount of water, and dab dab dab. This is how the picture is going to stick on the paper. So take generous amount of water and dab it. Keep on dabbing it for a few moments. Then I'm going to take my piece of cloth and then dab it again, like so. Once you feel that the picture has stuck properly, you can remove it with some sharp object, like I'm going to use my scissors. Very slowly. Here goes beautiful picture. Okay guys, so let it dry for a few moments. So guys, this is dried enough. Now I'm going to use the die cuts that I have, the oval die cuts. Okay, so it will go something like this. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is, first I'm going to cut this particular picture using the die cut. Then I'm going to use the golden cardstock that I have, and I'm going to make a border. Okay, so I went ahead and die cut the sheet. Okay, now this is how it looks. Then I have a border for this, and in between the sheet and the border I'm going to put this transparent sheet, so it will look something like this. Okay, So let's go ahead and stick these. So guys, I have stuck everything in place, and but just to give an extra backing, I have die cut this piece of paper, and we can stick this at the back too. So okay, so it will be looking like this. So it will look like a proper finished product, right? So let me go ahead and stick this part. So guys, this is how it looks now. Everything is fully dried. Okay, yeah, so now it's time to fix the magnets. So I have these pieces of magnets, so I'll take two of these, stick them together, okay, like so, and stick them at the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So guys, for making the tag, I'm going to use these transparent sheets. So guys, I have made this tag out of the transparent sheet, and I have a kind of a ribbon over here. Okay, so now we have to, it should look like this basically. Okay, so we should be able to use it as a gift tag too. Okay, so we need to stick it from behind. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this tag like so. And here I have die cut a white cardstock. Okay, so I have this die. Using this die, I have die cut this cardstock, and I'm going to stick it over here like this. Okay, so this will cover the glued part of the tag. Okay, and later on we can, when we are going to use it as a fridge magnet, we can go ahead and cut this sheet. Okay, so let's see. So add it just to the lower part, because later on we have to cut the sheet, so we have to be careful about that. There should be enough space for us to cut it. So So this is how it looks now. So we can use it as a tag like so, and from behind it looks like this. So once we gift it, okay, so we can directly go and cut this tag from behind. Okay, there is enough space for it to cut it like so, and so this part will go and only the fridge magnet will be there. Okay, so and we can write the sentiments over here: Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, okay, as per our wish. This is how it looks on your refrigerator minus the tag.